December 15th, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Using our order of operations, correctly place the following steps in order with the problem on top, working your way down to the answer on the bottom. All right, so the first one is done for us. We have 5 squared, or 5 to the second power, plus 3 times 6 minus, in parentheses, 2 plus 3, end parentheses. All right, so the first thing we need to figure out is, well, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or please excuse my dear Aunt Schnaterbeck. Now, our first part we need to do is these parentheses. Do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. So we do have parentheses. I'm going to highlight them. You do not have to. But that's our first step. So 2 plus 3 is going to be what? Well, that's going to be 5. So which one of these has everything the same except for the parentheses, which is 5? So that 5 is going to be in our different color that I've made. And that 5 is going to be there. So there's our next part. I'm going to move this down so we don't get confused. All right, so do we have any more parentheses in this next part? No, we're done with those parentheses. Do we have any exponents? Yes, we do. Here's the exponent, beep, 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 5 squared. Remember, 5 squared does not mean 5 times 2. That means 5 times 5. So what is 5 squared, or 5 times 5? Oh, that's 25. Which one of these has it as 25? Here we go, with everything else staying the same. Perfect. All right, so we have that 25, and then we brought down plus 3 times 6 minus 5. Do we have any more exponents? No, we do not. So I'm going to check that. How about multiplication and or division? Yeah, we have multiplication, and how do we go about that? Left to right, like you're reading a book. So beep, 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 beep. So 3 times 6. Well, what's 3 times 6 going to be? I know 3 times 6 is 18. Ooh, look it down here, 18. Move this up here. Awesome. Move these down a little bit. All right, then, do we have any more multiplication or division? Nope, so I'm going to check that off. How about addition or subtraction? Yeah, we have both. And how do I go about that? Left to right. Beep, 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 beep. So 25 plus 18. I know that 25 plus 18, well, that's going to be 43 because we're still going to have that minus 5 there. Whoop. There we go. We're still going to have that minus 5. I'm going to move that down. It's bothering me. Same thing with this. All right, so then, there we go, a little bit better. And then we're going to have 43 minus 5. It's our last part, our last addition and subtraction. Is the subtraction, because remember we went from left to right. And 43 minus 5 is going to be 38. And then we're done with addition and subtraction, and there you have it. There's your answer. So that is it for our vocab. Great job!